How's it going, guys? Bainey here, and welcome back to Facebook Ads for Small Businesses, where I teach small business owners just like you exactly how to run Facebook ads for your business so you don't have to pay someone like me thousands of dollars a month to do it for you. In today's video, guys, video 9, I'm going to show you how to verify your domain inside of the Facebook Business Manager, inside of a Shopify site, inside of a Wix website, and also inside of a Squarespace site. So hopefully that should have the bulk of you guys covered. I also touch on how to do it in a WordPress site, but I don't have a WordPress site for an example. If you do have a WordPress site, I briefly explain how to do it. It's very similar to a Wix website. So before I get started, guys, if you're following along and you like the content I put out, hit that subscribe button for us, hit that like button, and if you have any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. So let's just jump into today's video. In the business settings, we need to find the business settings, which again is on the left hand side here. Go to business settings. Yours should look like this. Scroll down to brand safety, go to domains, and you want to add a domain. So what you do is, what your domain is your domain is actually your website address. So this, you just copy this, whatever your website address is, paste it in here. You'll have to get rid of that and that. Add it. Okay, and it's already verified, so that's awesome. In that last step that you watched it automatically verified through Shopify. So what I'm gonna do is, you still have to do this anyway. You still have to come in here and do what I just did. So make sure you still follow along and do this. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna, in case it didn't work automatically, I'm gonna show you another way to do it. I'll pick a random website. So I'm just gonna show you how to verify your domain if it doesn't work automatically. So come in here, pretend this is your domain if for some reason yours didn't verify automatically. So it's going to come up here as not verified. You want to go to this drop down box and you want to make sure it's on the, yours might not be the top one, but you want to make sure it's on add meta tag to HTML source code. So, and what that is I'll show you how to do that. You just want to copy this bit of code here, and you want to go over to your website. If you're using Shopify, it's very easy. You come to Shopify and you go to online store. Whatever theme you're using, it would be the one up the top. Go to edit code. Go to theme on the left hand side here. And you see this header tag, you want to just go next to that, do one space, and then you want to paste that code in there and then just save it. So that's how you do it on a Shopify website. Let's just jump into a Wix website and I'll show you how to do it on here. This should be pretty much your home page on a Wix website. You want to go to site, go to settings, go to my dashboard. Should come to a page roughly like this. All your details will be filled out. This is just a dummy site. And you want to go over to settings on the left hand side. Scroll down to advanced and go to custom code. Yours will probably be published, so that won't come up. If it's not published, just X out of it. And then go to add custom code here. Like I said, mine's just a dummy account, so it's not going to let me do it, but you go to add custom code here, and it should come up header section. Right click, paste that code in the header section, then just hit save. And that's all you should have to do on your Wix website. For a Squarespace site, it should just be the same as your Facebook pixel. So you could probably just leave a space and then simply just right click, paste, come up here, save it. And once you've done that on either of these sites, come back here and then go verify domain. It probably won't verify straight away. Sometimes it takes up to 72 hours. Sometimes it only takes 15 minutes. But if it doesn't verify straight away, come back and the next day and hit verify and it should be fine. Also, WordPress is very similar to this. You'll have the header section and the footer section once you install the add-on called footer and header, and it's going to look very similar to that. So hopefully that's covered all the main websites. If you've got a random website that I don't cover in this video, let me know what that website is in the comments below, and I'll do my best to figure out how to do it on that website, and I'll make a video of it. But I've covered the four main website providers, and that's pretty much all. User probably use it anyway. So that pretty much covers everything in regards to verifying your domain, you've got to do this before you can start running ads, because with the new iOS 14, Facebook makes you verify your domain inside of Facebook before running ads. So make sure you do this, guys. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up your standard events. If you're using a Shopify site, you could probably skip the next video because Shopify does it automatically. But if you're using WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace, something like that, and you need to set up standard events like maybe a lead or a registration completion or something that's unique, definitely watch the next video because I'm going to show you how to do that manually. So stay tuned for that one. Thanks, guys.